Almost like hit on the face. Right? Out of our planet.
You can't light fireworks like that.
What's that?
No.
I think you'll need another one. Maybe that one ran out. You need another one, Dad?
Oh, really? That is not blue. That guy has the dehydrator for.
Oh, now he's using it with his lighter. Whoa! That's good.
Yeah! I got it!
Don't stand near that shit.
The big pop scared me.
Yeah.
That's getting better. More better.
Looks like it's...
It's straight out of our planet. We wouldn't see it.
Oh, Molly, that's enough.
And if we threw it way up, like, we wouldn't be able to see it.
Yeah! Oh, it's great.
I never saw this creature this close.
Enough, Molly.
Alien, how about getting puddles on the floor inside?
Oh, I'm doing the box.
That must be a bigger one. He stepped back.
Oh!
Whoa.
Yeah.
Like shooting stars.
Yeah, like shooting stars out of...